Here I invite you this Think Bigger channel. Today we are going to see the idea which happened in the year of 1962. Idea plays major role in the political field. Shall we go through? In the year of 1962, the border conflict happened between India and China. China is a good country, but crossing other countries' border, they following so long from this history. But in the conflict was India was failed. But everyone accused Nehruji, he could not handle the war very well. Nehruji grieved, so he decided to enrich the military. He lifted his eyes towards the America to buy the arms and weapons. By the time John F. Kennedy was the President of the United States, the relationship between the two countries was too good. T.T. Krishnamachari came to Washington and proposed an aid program with a price tag of $1.3 billion to Kennedy. So President accepted the deal. Armaments are setting up to reach India. Unfortunately, bill was not paid. Before the shipment, US military wanted a guarantee signature from any other American bank. But no American bank was ready to give guarantee signature. So shipment is still pending. Nehruji don't know what to do. The critical situation, he called Kamarajar, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. He is the one discontinued from the school, but he studied English by his own effort, can understand and speak in Hindi. Nehruji called Kamaraj because he was the political advisor, King Maker, one of the member of the Congress committee. And he explained the situation. We bought the material, but no American bank is ready to give the guarantee signature to us. So shipment is still pending. I don't know what to do, he said. Within a second, Kamarajar asked Nehruji, is there any other shop America has opened in India? He said. Nehruji replied, yes, American Express Bank has been opened in India. What should we do? He asked. Kamaraj said a single word, shut it down, he said. Nehruji surprisingly asked, what are you saying? He said, if they are not willing to help us, why should we let them to open their shop in India? He said. That's it. And he went away. Nehruji called the CEO of the American Express Bank. If you put that guarantee signature for us, we will shut your shop. We will shut your bank over in India, he said. The chairman called the head office of the America. The American Express Bank head office gave the guarantee signature. Shipment started. Per day, 20 tons of weapons, 8 Boeing planes per day, they transported the materials. Mission accomplished. What do we learn from this man? A simple idea of negotiation. The patriotism of one man can make a way to accomplish anything for the welfare of this country. Kamaraj is a great man. For idea, he is an outstanding one. His ideology is not everyone is making history. The one who makes history, he never lived for himself, he said. He built 9 dams, 12,000 schools, 33,000 lakes and ponds, many more factories. It's all about power of time. The punctual man is a real hero. In a single day, how much you can study, how much you can invest, how much yield you can possess, how much seed you can sow. Do it. In the future, you will reap the fruits of it. The final statement from this event is this: earn all you can, save all you can, and give all you can. If you love your country or anything else, in order to rectify the problem, you can do anything. The love and the patriotism will make you think in an outstanding way. Understand that? Bye. See you next video. God bless you.